Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if subtitles stay on even after turning them off, it usually means there is a settings conflict, accessibility override, or app glitch forcing captions to display. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix subtitles that won't turn off on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So this issue is usually settings related, common on smart TVs, Fire TV, and mobile, often caused by accessibility or device level captions. So focus on application plus device subtitle settings. Okay, so by that, let's start with turn subtitles off in playback, like while playing a video. Open audio or subtitles, select off, okay, and this should disable subtitles immediately. Okay, otherwise restart the video, like exit the video and play it back or play it again. This refreshes subtitle settings. Okay, check device level captions. So this is important, like if you are on TV or smart TV, go to settings, go to accessibility, turn off closed captions. In case you are using iPhone or Android, go to settings, accessibility, and then subtitles and captions, and then turn off. Okay, so device captions can override Prime Video. Restart your device. Okay, so this is another fix, like restart your TV, phone, or streaming device. This clears stuck settings. Otherwise, clear cache if you are using Android or even TV, like go to settings, look for apps, look for Prime Video, and then tap clear cache. So this removes corrupted subtitle data. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.